Oh, Bangladesh have struck. We've spoken about this young man, Al Fahad, and he strikes with a wicket in the first over. He's the leading wicket taker.
Look at that. Good delivery coming in, and what a poor shot that is. He was nowhere near that. Just throwing the bat at it. This is casual batting. This is not tight batting. You've got to respect the new ball. Otherwise, you will be walking back like how Mayush Mhatra is walking back. Only one run, and India is 4 for 1.
Short and wide, that's 4. Width on offer, length on offer.
Actually spends time, and this is, the leaf out of Rahul Dravid's book. Another good shot by Andre, and another boundary.
Short delivery, no holding back. 1 bounce for 4. Oh, up and over. No, that's not a good delivery. You have a short third, you don't bowl short and wide. This time caught. That was pitched up, I thought pace off. And Suryavanshi playing a little bit early, flying off an outside edge. And Bangladesh have got their second wicket. Both openers gone.
In spite of going for 2 boundaries in this over, again, this is what I meant. He gave that gift outside off stump in the previous delivery. This was the area where he's going to trouble the batsman. And look at this. Sometimes the ego of the player, and he's only 13, we have spoken about him, but this was the worst moment to go for the shot, and he will have to go back to the hut. And not in double figures in this game. India struggling at 24 for 2.
Slow one, hit it lustily over the top of the bowler. And that was loose one, and that was the one he was waiting for. Oh, did he get a bit of bat on that? I thought he had. The wicket keeper diving to his right, hands on head for the bowler. He almost called it. Oh, he's got his man right through the gate. Just what the doctor ordered. This is simply magnificent from Rizwan. A bit of pace, a bit of inward movement. It's bitten bat and pad, and the death rattle behind.
Nice lane, nice and full, good seam position, probably inside edge. And that was a soft stroke, and got to be set, and a soft dismissal for a number 3 player trying to chase it or score down. Andre Siddharth Chandrasekhar gone for 20 of 35. India 44 for 3.
Pulled away well, but that's played in the